On the 8th of this month, a guest came to our hotel to lodge in. He wasn't with his ATM card, so he begged us for him to do transfer, which we refused at first. It was like he's not with his ATM card. There was no way he can go back because it was really serious. Like, it doesn't stay in Warri. So Gloria gave him her account number, which he transferred money to her account number. He transferred 45,000, saying the other 20,000 is our tip for the help we rendered to him. Later, Gloria learned that she wasn't with her ATM card and she transferred 25,000 into my account, which we withdrew with my ATM card and attached the POS paper to the document filled by the guest, and we attached it and we checked the guest into room 301, which is 25,000 per night. After that day, Gloria transferred 5,000 out of the money to me and gave a gift 5,000 also. On the 18th of this month, I was called by our chairman, Olorogun Kenneth Igbagi, to his office. He was like, I should tell him what happened on the 8th of this month. And I told him, a guest came in to check into our hotel. He wasn't with his ATM card to make transfer, to do POS transaction. So he transferred to Gloria's account, which we in turn transferred to the company's account and print out the POS. And he said the remaining money is his money, is his own property. That what did we do to the guest for him to give us 20,000 naira? That the money belonged to him, that we stole the money. And I said, sir, we didn't steal your money. So he asked me for my ATM, and I said my ATM card was in my bag. That he first asked if I can make a transfer. I said I can make a transfer, that my phone is in my handbag. He said, okay, I should go and get it. And he ordered the police, his mobile police, to follow me to the office, and I collected my phone, but network was bad. So I told him, can I make transfer through the ATM in POS machine? He said yes. So the policeman escorted me back to the office to get my ATM card, and his accountant on gunpoint withdrew the money from my account, and they printed out the POS merchant receipt.
Who held the gun?
It was his mobile police, his escort. Later, he said we should write statement on gunpoint, that we should write statement, which we did. One other lady was there. She was the one taking the statement, and he collected my phone. He seized my small itel phone, and he ordered us to enter his warehouse opposite his office, and he stripped us naked. The four of us stripped us naked on gunpoint. He now locked the door and went back to his office. He later called us, or took us all to his restaurant, where he ordered his 15-year-old son to snap our nude pictures. And he called all the staff of the hotel to come and see us, that when next anything happen in the hotel, he's going to do same to them. And he later called Egbumede police station to come and he called the DPO to come and take us to the police station. And they detained us from on Friday till on the 21st of Monday 2020, and they later charged the case to court, to the magistrate court at Egbumede.
Were you beaten after stripping naked?
I wasn't beaten.
What about the other persons?
They flogged the other people.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.